Yo, what is going on? It is 6:40 Monday, November 17th. Took no trade today, forward tested a trade, which I am going to speak about later on in this video. Well, this journal, I want to name it. I want to keep it to just journal, but let's take a look at what we had today. So coming into the day, I did have actually I was low-key feeling bullish. Now, I was at work and I think some bright kid decided to pull the fire alarm. So I missed this entire move. Isn't that lovely? Isn't it lovely to miss all of this? Isn't that lovely? Which honestly, I think at the current state that I'm at, like with these accounts, I don't see myself truly taking this 1 minute. If I'm being 1 trillion% honest, because I doubt we were SMT'd. So yep. And then I got onto the charts like around 950. So right here, I got on like right before the big ass dump off. Then I was waiting on like a retracement just to target lower once we got about here. Like once we opened up about 2 5-minute gaps, I kind of just started seeing lower because I did want to see a retracement originally. Like I wanted to see this. Sorry, I'm everywhere right now. I wanted to see this 1 minute play out. Once I seen like we tagged into here, I kind of don't want to see, like I wanted to see us leave a gap after this. Even like a 2 minute we had hope for. I wanted to inverse this 2 minute, continue higher, break even at midnight open, and then equal high London high. But as you can see, we just shit the bed down. And if we take a look right here. Oh, this was just some BS. Like this was just me marking shit out. I forward tested this trade. Really don't know why I didn't take this, if I'm being 100% honest. This is I think I'm kind of scared right now because of how close I am to passing the accounts, to where I'm more focused on taking a continuation model opposed to a mech, and I can't be doing that. And I literally just realized that right now. I think that's my problem. Why am I looking up at the screen when the camera's down here? Excuse me, but I think that at the moment I'm more focused on taking a continuation more than a mech, and that's no bueno. Like if the setup that I've tested is there, then take it. Like you see, this has the SMT at the low. We have a fucking SMT internally, and we have this 5 minute right above. Now the issue with this shit is on a regular day, I'd probably put like my TP right here, and we'd hit TP, right? Because I'm like a one tick under kind of guy. What is this? Yeah, would have left that shit like one tick under. Hit TP to the tick, and then that's it. However, I don't know if this would have hit. Let me do the math. Hold on, let me just do the math on the calculator so I can make it nice and big in the camera. Let's just say I would have been risking 350 times. Yeah, 350 would have hit. But let's say I didn't risk. Let's say I risked like 340 times 2.1. Oh, it would have hit. So yeah, this would have hit. And that's my problem, because I already have that issue of where I get fearful of taking trades, and it's not even at this point an attachment to the money. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I just gotta have the oh shit. I started fucking with the mic settings. I'm sorry if it sounded like ass, bro. I just realized the settings aren't the best. Bro, I really don't even know what the point of it is, because when I see that $ amount leave the account, it's not like I'm here to revenge trade. It's not like I'm pissed off about it. It's none of that. So I really have to break it down into that. I've broken it down to the overall fact that that's my problem, right? Now I have to pinpoint what about the problem is the overall like fucking downfall. And that's what it is at the moment. We just broke down one together that I seek more continuations in something like this. That's a problem. It's the second day in a row that I forward tested something and it hit, and I would have passed my accounts. I'm speechless for that shit, bro. I genuinely don't even know what to say. But then right here, I kind of looked at this 1 minute, didn't really care for it. I think in here we had something. I think this shit was like a 30-second. No, it was nothing. We just had the SMT. And then we just started ripping back up. Still failed to tag in this 5 minute. And then we started dumping off. And I was off the charts by here, by like 10:55. I kind of was just a little bit frustrated within myself of not taking this, because why am I doing that? Why? And then PM actually was decent today. I've actually been looking a little bit in the PM. Like I might get an account just for PM. Like a lot of inverses played out there in PM. This one was really solid. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This one was really nice. I believe it tagged in. Yeah, it tagged into a higher time frame PD rate. That one was it was definitely just coming off of this 5. This one was pretty nice, if I'm being honest. Maybe there was even like a 2 minute in here. Yeah, low key this one. A 3 minute. Yeah, low key this cooked. How far? Oh, and we inversed the lower 3 minutes, so we're taking off the lower 3 minute. Yeah, this low key cooked, bro. 100-point stop, hell no. 60-point stop, hell no. Maybe give it a little bit more wiggle room. Damn, yeah, this cooked, bro. To the 1 hour. Bro, this fucking cooked, bro. And I think we even had something like right after the session to a pair of, yeah. This cooked too. We had equal lows, inverse, right to it. I probably would have gone break even on this if I'm being 100% honest. I know myself. I 100% would have gone break even on this. I really know myself, and I would have gone break even on this. Maybe not. I would have risked 250. Probably would have risked 350. Yeah, I would have gone break even on this. Break even. Never mind. That one doesn't. But it still played out. As you can see, price is moving to where it plays out. That's really all that I have for today. I mean, my bias was originally bullish. I did think like this run would have continued up to London highs because there was also equal highs, midnight open, all of that. But then we just ended up dumping off, retrace, and we're still in a sell-off. I actually need to do my one contract Asia thing right now. Low-key, I'm gonna do it live. Let's load up MNQ. I'm going to do it live. What should I take right here? Let's go sell, close. 24 cents. Okay, that should count as a trade, bro. Because I've been fucking losing all of this. That's how I'm going to just do it. I don't give a fuck. 1 second is long enough for me. But yeah, again, let's just talk about a little bit of psych, a little bit of yap, a little bit of japper rapper. That is my biggest problem. Hold on, let me see. Let me move this around so I can see how long I've been trying. That's my biggest problem, and I'm struggling to pinpoint the exact remedy of the problem and where it is that I'm going wrong. Thankfully, though, I'm able to recognize it and display it here and think and be able to think about it. And like, I'm able to just maybe not even a positive thing, but I sit there and I think about it all day. What is it to break it? Like, I know what I'm supposed to be doing. I just get scared. There it is. I'm scared of losing the accounts. It's not even how much it costs. I'm just scared of losing the accounts because of how close I am to finishing it. And that's the point that I've gotten to. And before, I was scared of just taking a trade. Now I've gotten it down there. I'm just scared of losing these accounts because of how close I was to getting it. But even though I'm low-key banned off on the other one, I was thinking about like separating them from copy trading. Like if it's a good setup, copy trade it, but maybe like a more risky setup, take it on the one that's 950 away. And then there's one that's 650, which is still one easy ass trade away. But yeah, scared of losing the accounts is what it is. And that's not even like a dollar sign attachment thing. I personally feel like, from my understanding, that's not a dollar sign attachment thing. I don't even care really like that I lost a trade. It's just losing the account. I know myself. I know I'm disciplined enough to sit the fuck down and wait to take a good setup. And I got the smart guy glasses on. Forgot to mention that. But I know myself. I know I'm good. I'm disciplined enough to sit the fuck down and wait for a good setup. The problem is, I don't want to lose the account because of how close I am to finishing it and how much it would mean to me personally. That's the problem. I'm letting my emotions of what is that? What would the word be for that? I don't even want to say. I guess my pride, it's not even an ego. It's not an ego thing. I'm staying the fuck down till I come up. And even when I'm up, I'm not going to be egotistic. Stamp that shit too. Whoever comes back and watches these videos, stamp that shit too. When, in a couple months from now, when I'm up, ain't no fucking egotistical shit. I'm going to be doing these same fucking videos and this same fucking, maybe not because I might redo my room, but at this same fucking setup, probably on this same fucking iPad because I'm not going to spend mad money on a damn webcam if my iPad works. With this same fucking mic, maybe not this same mouse, maybe I upgrade the mouse. With this same set of AirPods, probably the same damn chapstick, and this same crystal here, Gucci crystal, and I'm not going to be no egotistical asshole because I know that it can be taken from me at any second. So yeah, I know my problem. I see my problem. I see what it is. I guess to an extent I see what it is. I don't fully know exactly what it is. And I just need to continue to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm 7 months in. I have a funded account. Am I fearful on taking trades of it? Yeah, I'm a bitch. At times. I ain't no bitch though, for real. But yeah, I have a funded account already. I've had it for 3 months. I should have been paid out, bro. I'm a bitch. I'm almost passing another eval. I'm disciplined. I know my model. I know what I look for coming into the day. I can read price. The fuck is there to be upset about, yo? Genuinely. Why do I get like this? Nick, you right there. Stop. Just stop it. But yeah, that's probably where I'm gonna end off. So I need to okay, I've said it now. Everyone who's watching this, me coming back and watching this has heard it. Everyone who's watching this down the line, watching my journey, I love and appreciate you. But yeah, okay. Like I said, I've said it. It's time to act upon it, genuinely, bro. It's not time for this lollygag shit. I wanted to pass these accounts by Black Friday or whenever they have the sale, so this week. Let's pass it this week, bro. Let's take 2 to 3 trades this week, bro. Let's fucking do it. 2 to 3 good trades, Nick. Discipline. Keep that always with you for the rest of your life. I don't doubt that I'm gonna steer away from it, but Nick, please remain disciplined, brother. And the rest of you guys watching too, please, bro, just have that discipline, find that discipline, build the discipline, because discipline isn't something. You're not gonna be like some undisciplined individual and then wake up on a fucking random Tuesday morning and be like, oh, I'm Mr. Discipline now. No, you're not. It's taking little steps day by day and doing the same thing, the same beneficial things, step by step, day in and day out, and then eventually adding on to it. Perfect example was by my boy Jose. He was like, if you wake up and you maybe do 2 push-ups today, read 2 pages of a book, you do that 3 times a week, right? Do that 3 times a week for X amount of time, and then maybe now you're doing 5. Maybe now you're doing 5 push-ups, reading 10 pages for 4 days a week, right? And so on and so forth, right? Excuse me. Baby ass burp. But again, it's not about the quantity of it, it's about the quality of it, essentially, is what it is. And I liked when he mentioned that, because that is genuinely what discipline is. I mean, discipline for me is essentially like, it's not about making X amount of dollars. It's about reacting and taking what the market is giving me, opposed to sitting back and just missing out. And it's not even based off of FOMO. That's just based off of me wanting to see myself do better, do what I should be doing, do what I'm going to be doing in the future. So yeah, a little bit of a talk right there. I'll make a TikTok or something like that too. Yeah, if I don't take a trade, that's gonna be what my TikTok is. Fuck, my bruised toe hurts. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Tomorrow's Tuesday. We're gonna act upon it. I said it now, so I have to do it, because I can't not be a man of my word. Got my smart glasses on, receding hairline on. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get to work tomorrow. Everyone watching this, please stay blessed. Remember, anything that you believe you can do, anything that you work towards, you can accomplish. I don't give a fuck what your mama say, your daddy say, your granddaddy say, or your grandpappy say. Well, they're the same person, granddaddy and grandpappy. But yeah, you can do whatever the fuck it is, bro. Be so fucking delusional about it, and you can fucking do it. I believe in you. Even if I don't know you, I know like most of the people who watch my shit are people that I actually know. But if I don't know you and you come across this at any point in time, I believe in you. Genuinely believe in you. I believe anyone can do whatever the fuck it is that they put their mind to. On that note, I'm gonna let you go. Been yapping a lot. Probably gonna title this "Been Yapping a Lot," or like the root of my problem, some shit like that. And yeah, sayonara, peace, love, positivity.